What's good, Team Forever 20? I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video we're going to make a wall watch, a wall clock watch. What? Okay, any of that. But as you can read on the title yeah, as you can read on the title, yeah, it's you already know it's a watch. It's a wall clock watch or a wall watch. Any anyhow, the way you call it, tell me in the description, on the comment section, how you call it. Yeah, so if you're new to this channel, you're so much welcomed, and um, you're so much welcomed. Thank you so much for stopping by, and to my always returning subscribers, thank you for always clicking in my videos. So I hope you have seen what we are doing here, and all the measurement of these pieces of wood, they are here written, but I'll also put them on the description box so that to help those of you who will not be able to see clearly, maybe. Yeah, so and I'm here, I'm just using my tack nails to attach everything together, but you can use the normal nails depending with the thickness of your wood, because I'm using a very tiny, it's a half an inch MDF. So I decided to use the tack nails, and the circle, the square which I've just measured, it's 8.5 centimeters inches, sorry, by 9.5 inches, the bigger square. Yeah, but I'll also leave the all the measurement in the description box. Yeah, so please don't ask in the comment section, don't skip, then come and ask, kindly give us the measurement, and you have just skipped the video. Please watch to the end, just watch step by step if you want to try. Yeah, and if you even if you don't want to try, but you love it here, kindly just watch to the end, watch the ads, don't skip the ads, guys. Yeah, so yeah, that's what helps me to get money, like that's what I earn through the ads. So if you do that, you support me, and you also support me by sharing my videos, liking them, commenting on them. Thank you for that. Yes, so, and that is the biggest square is what, oh my god, I can't remember. I'll just measure, then put the all the the measurement on the description box. Yeah, so keep watching, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, please comment down below, and enjoy, keep on watching to the end. It's not that long, I know you can manage to watch to the end. Now this is after spray painting. That's how it looks, and I even sprayed the back part, the back side. Yes, and here these are some of the mirrors which I cut them overnight using the glass cutter. Yes, and this is my bottom. It's going to be at the back, yeah, where I'm going to put my machine, my wall clock machine. Yeah, and yeah, this machine I got it from an old watch, an old clock. Yeah, so, and I printed the words there, yeah, the Roman numbers. Yeah, I printed those ones. And I'm going to use those ones as the numbers on my clock. Yeah, so I'll just take it. The rest of this part you can just watch and understand. So keep on watching, and I hope you are enjoying. You are learning something. Yes, so get creative, make yours, or order one from me. Yes, by the way, let me link a page. I'll link my page, my Instagram page, in this video, somewhere in this video, so keep on watching. Yeah, so through my page you can just DM me, you can just call me directly. Yes, if you want to purchase any of my DIYs. Yeah, so keep watching to the end. So I'm putting my clear mirror so that it will guide me while placing the other mirrors. And in this process, you can decide to use a hot glue or a silicone glue. Yeah, whichever will work for you. Yeah, and there's this channel here, All Things With Us. Kindly guys go and subscribe to their channel. They are doing amazing job on DIYs. I know you are all here because of DIY, so please guys, after finishing this video, kindly go and watch their videos, subscribe to their channel, like, and tell them that Christine sent you there. I know you're going to subscribe. So here I'm just going to use my clear silicone, remember it's clear silicone glue, and then I'll just sprinkle the beads on top. The beads are already in silver, so I don't need to spray paint them. Yeah, I'll just sprinkle them, then when it dries with the silicone, I know they'll just pop out the silver color. Yeah, is it silver color? Yeah, they'll just pop out. So keep watching, and I hope you have give this video a thumbs up to this far. Yes, and these beads, they are masai beads or crystal beads, whichever name you call them. But when you go to any most of the text not any most of the textile shops sell these crystal beads, but I'll leave a specific place where you can get them on the description box. So make sure you watch to the end without skipping, so that you avoid asking such kind of questions. Yeah, because I just told you I'll leave all the information on the description box, so keep watching. And as you can see, that's how it looks when it dries. As you can see, the rest, the ones which I started with, they look so good. Yes. And that's how our wall clock looks. Yeah, so after you're done, make sure you clean your wall clock, then hang it on the wall. And that's how it looks. Wow, just wow. Tell me in the comment section how it turned out. So pretty. I love it. Personally, I love it. Love it so much. Yeah, so tell me in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you for not skipping the ads. Thank you for watching to this end. Until next time, hugs and kisses from Christine. Remember to subscribe to All Things With Us channel and comment that Christine sent you there. Support them, guys. Until next time, bye.